first time being in Open Source Summit, and to me, I'm really love it.
I love the intimacy, and this is my first open source summit. But being part of the open source community, being fully open source, of course, but really the collaboration of the community, and like I mentioned, the intimacy is what I like the most about this specific conference.
Well, this is a great conference bringing maintainers, practitioners together to talk about problems that we're solving, launch new projects, and really just see progress over time. One of the best parts of open source is getting to engage and work with the community, and that's what we get to do here.
As a software engineering student, I get to have experience on developing something that is out there for use. If I contribute something to open source, it's out there, it doesn't just stay in my computer. So that's what I love most about open source.
The energy is excitement, really. And again, I feel like the open source community is close-knit, but really genuine excitement, and I think collaboration is the appropriate word to describe it.